In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Slack color mode. If you want Slack to feel easier on your eyes, especially during long work sessions, changing the color mode is a quick and useful adjustment. Slack gives you a few display options, including light, dark, and system, so you can choose the look that feels most comfortable for you. This setting only takes a moment to update, and once you know where it is, it's very easy to switch again anytime you want. To get started, open Slack and look toward the lower left corner of the app. There, click on your profile. This opens the menu where Slack keeps several account and app settings. If you're using Slack on a desktop app or in a browser, the layout should be very similar. So this process is usually straightforward. Once that menu appears, click on Preferences. This is where Slack stores all of the customization options for how the app looks and behaves. If you've never explored this area before, it's a helpful place to remember because many visual and notification settings are managed here. After Preferences opens, look for the Appearance section and click on it. The Appearance settings control the visual style of Slack, including the color mode. This is where you can make the app brighter, darker, or set it to automatically match your device settings. Now, choose between Light 8, Dark, or System. Light mode gives you a bright interface that works well in well-lit environments. Dark mode uses darker tones, which many people prefer for evening use or to reduce visual strain. System mode allows Slack to follow your computer's current theme automatically, which is convenient if your device changes modes throughout the day. As soon as you select the option you want, Slack should update the appearance right away, so you can instantly see how it looks. If one mode doesn't feel right, you can simply switch to another until you find the one that works best for your setup and viewing comfort. A helpful tip is to try system mode if you regularly switch between day and night work sessions. That way, Slack stays in sync with your device without you needing to manually update it each time. And that's all it takes to change Slack color mode. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in comfort and usability, especially if Slack is something you use every day.